The freedomRail sliding tie and belt rack is an easy way to keep your closet organized and makes getting dressed effortless. The sliding tie and belt rack can easily be added to any freedomRail closet simply by inserting the bracket hooks into the freedomRail upright. It can be oriented to the left or the right. To change the orientation of the hooks, first remove the tie and belt rack from the upright. Then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the front screw and pull out the sleeve. Carefully set them aside as you will need these later. Repeat the process in the back, removing both the screw and sleeve and set aside. Next, remove the front cover so the hook component slides freely. Slide hook component off and turn to face the desired orientation. Add the front cover back onto the hook component. Then, slide the hook component fully to the back of the bracket before placing the rear sleeve and screw. Use a screwdriver to tighten it into place. Pull the front cover out slightly to replace the front sleeve and screw again, twisting to tighten it into place. You are all set. Congratulations! You have successfully modified the sliding tie and belt rack to hang your accessories on the desired side.